Welcome to the ASTRO. In this Python tutorial, I am going to teach you about the meaning of the syntax np.random.seed function. So, what it does in between the code of lines, we try to understand its output. Okay, so before digging deep into that, I will try to understand some random concept in Python. Okay, so how to generate random number, then we'll uh, go on to the random seeds. Okay, so for that I will import NumPy module. So NumPy as np, and then I will import random module. Random, right? Okay, now I will create some random number. So create random numbers, right? So what I will do, I will say here x is my variable and np dot random dot rand int. Okay, so this will produce integer, random integers between say 1 to 10, and I want to obtain say 8 integers, right? Now print x, what is it returning? So here you can see that you have a array of this random integers. And so now here comes the power of random seeds. Okay, so suppose I will insert here np dot random dot seed and function. Now I will still run the code, so I will get a different outputs. Okay, for each run, right? You can see each run is giving different random numbers, right? Now suppose I will put here a 0. Okay, so let's see. See, this time this is 61448463. Now again run the code. See, you can see the random number is not changing. I mean, this produces a static a set of random numbers by giving seeds. Okay, you can see, you can also give here 10. Now see, the random number set has changed, but when you run multiple times, it will be same, right? The set will not change after I mean running the seed with the same, I mean the same number. You can also give 1000. So you can see this array will change. Okay, for the first time. Now again run this code with the seed 100. Nothing will change, right? It will be the same. So the basic idea we got here from that, the np.random.seeds like it fixes the random number as per your seed value, right? So this way you can generate like pseudo random number with like fixed values. Okay, so like this set of random number will not change as per your seed. So if you change the seed, definitely it will change. See, it has changed, but when you run it multiple times, it will the same seed. Okay, so I hope you got the idea about the random seed and how it does for the random numbers. Thank you.